If you own a mechanical sewing machine, you'll want to oil it regularly to keep it running smoothly. And if you own a mechanical or Sailrite sewing machine, we highly recommend our Sailrite Sewing Machine Oil to properly maintain it. This sewing machine oil is a highly refined mineral oil that keeps your machine functioning at its best. This colorless oil minimizes fabric staining, which gives you added peace of mind that the oil won't damage your project should the oil accidentally come into contact with it. By regularly oiling your machine, you'll not only keep it running smoothly and quietly, but you'll also extend the lifetime of your machine. Each of our Sailrite guidebooks has detailed oiling and lubrication instructions, so you'll know exactly how to properly maintain your machine. We offer this sewing machine oil in a quart size as well as a gallon size. Since our fabricator sewing machine is self-oiling with an oil pan located underneath the bed, we recommend the gallon-sized container of oil to maintain this machine. If you have an ultra-feed machine, we recommend the quart-sized container of oil. We also offer a few tools that make oiling in those harder-to-reach spots easier. We've linked both sizes of our sewing machine oil in the description below, along with some of our tools to help with oiling. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.